Hi everyone, I'm Lakshmi. I've been mentoring through Magic for this is my 6th year, and this spring I got to mentor Jayda, Jayda Castillo. She's a sophomore at Salem Academy Charter School, and Jayda again is a very busy high schooler. And what's special about Jayda is she has a very wide range of interests. Her interests range from hairdressing to painting to electronics. And it's so amazing that she decided to add computer programming to her repertoire of skills through Magic. So excited for her. And even more exciting is that she decided to weave in one of her non-STEM passions into her Magic project. So over to Jayda to hear about her project and her interests.
Thank you. Well, that was my lovely mentor, Lakshmi. Um, she's great. She is a mom and a mentor and a wife. She is head of a customer success group at Object Edge. She is from the San Francisco Bay Area and is living there right now. She enjoys baking and reading, and she has taken the quarantine time to catch up on reading and things like that. My project's name is Bamboo's Panda. The name, I kind of got inspired by a clothing company named Bananas Monkey that I heard about through a YouTube channel called the Ace Family. But it's a website, an art website, basically talking about my different types of art that I've worked on and stories behind them. Right now, I only have 2 types of art on there, and I plan in the future to add more. But my first future plan is just to finalize the app and share it with a few of my peers. Okay, so my magical experience, like said before, like said by Lakshmi, I'm very busy, but the times that I've gotten to work on it outside of our actual meetings and outside of school have been amazing, even while working with Lakshmi, because each time that I'd work on it, I'd come through new obstacles and then I would learn how to overcome the obstacles, and it would feel like exciting and it would cause a lot of adrenaline, and I really like having an adrenaline rush. I learned some HTML and CSS because I came into this with very little coding experience. So I learned a lot of basic coding, and then I also got a little bit deeper into it. So my challenges were time, remembering certain code syntax, and GitHub challenges. So with time, I struggled with like finding a time to work on this outside of our meeting and outside of school. Because like Grace, I work a lot longer than most people would like to work on things, especially when it comes to school. I'm also involved with a lot of extracurricular things pertaining to school as well and outside of school. With remembering certain syntax, I would write them down, but I still haven't gotten to learn how to like do like the strings and stuff like that. So that's where my problem would come in, because I would write them down instead of learning how to do the where I could just place them in by just starting it and then like it would pop up. And then with GitHub, there was a problem with that website itself, where when you would commit, it wouldn't show the changes right away. And if it were to show, it would have to be from a completely separate device. Next slide, please. That's the link, and this is my demo. Right now, it's just showing my main page and where it's all connected, which is the HTML. Yeah. And then I had to record from my phone because I can't record from my computer. That's my directory. of all the different files within my website to create it. This is my CSS to get like the different fonts and things like that and titles of the pages. And then I go on to show you the rest of the different coding for the different features of my app. As you can see. After I'm done showing you all of these these codings used to create my website, I will show you my website itself. Oop, don't mind the text messages. Yep. And it looks really long because my screen on my phone isn't that wide, but that's just my stories and stuff behind all my artwork as well. That makes it kind of look long. Okay, so now I'm gonna get to my page. Yep. And this is my website. So this is my homepage, welcoming the artists. I hyperlinked the photo of the paintings and the word paintings as well as for sketches. So like that, people may just click on the photo or the link, whatever they prefer. So they may reach this page and they can read and also look at my artwork, as well as I did for the sketches. And that's all. I also wanted to mention, that throughout this process, I came up with a few different layouts for the different pages, but I decided to go with my second layout because it was less complex. And because I had came in with very little coding experience, I felt that it would just make more sense to start off simple and then learn more to then evolve it into the more complex template.